This is the Email Students section. Here, administrators and teachers can send emails to students. Under the To field, Active refers to students who have enrolled, paid, and been assigned classes. Not Registered refers to students who were enrolled in a previous school year but did not re-enroll this year. Registered Pending refers to students who are enrolled but must meet other requirements before being assigned classes, such as making a payment or submitting documentation. Selecting Test Email means you must manually enter the specific email address or addresses on the next line. Multiple email addresses may be entered, separated by commas. To send email to a specific class, use the drop-down list marked Select Class Code. Enter your subject and your message as normal. To attach a file, click the button marked Choose File at the bottom of the page, navigate to your document, and click Choose. Currently, you may only attach one file per email. The Send Email button can also be found at the bottom of the page.